This session is for mental focus and relaxation only. It is not a replacement for medical, nutritional, or professional advice. Do not listen while driving or operating heavy machinery. This is about building calm, confident control over your time, making space for movement, meal prep, healthy eating, in a way that feels easy and natural. Life gets busy, workouts get skipped, meals become rushed. We often feel there's never enough time. This session is designed to help you mentally create structure in your day, release overwhelm, and allow fitness and healthy eating to become non-negotiable priorities, not afterthoughts. You'll set intentions now for balance, focus, and effortless organization, making space for the things that truly support your health and happiness. Now, closing your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in, hold for a moment, and exhale completely. Every inhale brings clarity and focus. Every exhale releases tension, excuses, and old habits that don't serve you. With every breath, you feel calmer, clearer, more capable of choosing how you spend your time. Imagine out in front of you a beautiful light. Every breath in allows this light to move in to your body as if you are breathing in light. Notice or get a sense of how this light travels down into your lungs. And every breath in, this light expands, brighter and brighter. Imagine swishing this light over to your heart center. And again, every breath in, this light grows. And it moves now throughout the heart, throughout the chest, into your extremities, up through your head, and even outside of the body. This light moves gently all around you as you go deeper relaxed. Notice now a time in your recent past where you felt rushed, where you felt like you did not have time for what matters, like meal prepping, working out, daily tasks, whatever is there, just go with it. Notice yourself as if you're watching a little movie of yourself rushing or feeling stressed. Imagine there's a cord. Maybe it's gold, maybe it's silver, but it runs from you to yourself there. Notice that, going deeper relaxed. This cord represents that rushing feeling, that stressed about time management feeling. I want you to imagine now taking a big pair of scissors, a chainsaw, whatever comes to mind, and cutting through that cord. Cutting through it now, releasing yourself of that old feeling. Now you float and fly away from that time, and you find another time where you were feeling something of the same, stressed, rushed, whatever it is, just allow it. Notice now another cord running from you to yourself there. And once again, it represents that old feeling. You are going to find something in your mind that will cut through that cord easily and effortlessly. You find yourself cutting through that cord, and as you do, you float away from it, feeling more and more free of that old feeling. Free to be inspired. Free to see time management as something that comes really easily to you. You find yourself now going to a third experience where you felt rushed. You see yourself or sense yourself there with that old feeling, and again, you notice the cord. Notice the cord, whether it's thick or thin. After cutting a few times now, you might notice that it's more thin than before. But no matter, whatever is there, all is well. So, again, you find something in your mind to cut through the cord. Notice it cutting through it easily and effortlessly. And again, you float up and away from that old time, feeling even more freedom than before. And you feel once again like you're floating, feeling wonderful, feeling more and more confident. Imagine yourself waking tomorrow with a calm, confident mindset. You know exactly when you'll move your body, when you'll prepare your meals, when you'll eat without distraction. See yourself setting out your clothes for a workout. No hesitation, just a natural part of your morning or evening. Picture yourself in the kitchen, prepping food calmly with focus, giving your body the fuel it deserves. See yourself eating with presence, no rushing, no guilt, simply nourishing yourself. As you imagine this, repeat silently, I manage my time with ease. I make space for my workouts. Meal prep and healthy eating feel natural to me. Your mind starts building the pattern of success before the day even begins. Picture now the week ahead. Day by day, you move through your schedule with clarity. You carve out time for training as easily as you make time to breathe. Preparing food is no longer a task you put off. It's a gift you give to your future self. You feel proud each evening, knowing you've honored your body, fed it well, moved it with intention, and still had time for life's other demands. Notice how this version of you handles unexpected changes. A meeting maybe runs late. A plan shifts. You stay calm. Notice the calm on your face. Notice how relaxed you are. You adjust, still making space for your priorities without stress. You are in control of your time. You choose where your energy goes. Repeating to yourself, my time is mine. I easily balance life, movement, and nutrition. Every day I live aligned with my health goals. Take a deep breath in now, holding the image of your balanced, focused days in your mind. Exhale slowly, letting that image settle into your subconscious as your new normal. Your time no longer controls you. You choose how to spend it. Workouts, meal prep, and nourishing your body are part of who you are now. Automatic, natural, and easy. When I count from 1 to 5, you'll return fully awake, feeling calm, focused, and confident in your ability to create time for what matters most. 1, energy rising. 2, mind clear. 3, your plan locked in. 4, focus steady. 5, eyes open, ready to move through your day with balance and control.